Welcome India. Let's learn hedging and stop gambling. So today's topic is all about open interest analysis and reading the option chain. So everyone knows if you are doing options trading, then option chain is so important. So let's open the option chain. This is NSE India website. Let me type Nifty here. So Nifty in derivatives and click on this option chain. So this is the option chain of 24th February expiry. Scroll down, scroll down. So in this option chain, we need to understand the meaning of OI, LTP change strike price, LTP change and OI change in OI. Only this much. No need to see all these things and get. I mean, some people will get have a fear of numbers. No need to worry. No need to have any fear of numbers. So this is a strike price. Everyone knows options have different strike prices. Where is market at present? 17,276. This is ATM. At the money is 17,300. So market is roughly near 17,300. That is at the money. So in this at the money, you can see the premium prices. See, in the money premiums are costly, and in the money premiums are costly. At the money is okay. Out of the money is cheaper. Out of the money, everything becomes zero on expiry date. Everything you know. So now the main thing about this is open interest. What is the meaning of open interest? See, if open interest is more, that means market is in the favor of bears. If call open interest is more, very important, which open interest. So if call open interest is very high, let's say here 17,500 has the highest open interest, that means more number of option sellers are sitting at 17,500. At any cost they will not allow the market to cross 17,500. That's the meaning of open interest. So this will act like a stiff resistance. See, 17,500 has the highest open interest. This will act like a stiff resistance. And someone can say, sir, 18,000 also has highest resistance. Yes, see, 18,000 is far OTM. So we have to concentrate. Very important point. We need to concentrate 300 points below, 300 points above. So 300 points below means just ITM 300, OTM 300. That's it. We need to look around for a strike price which has the highest open interest, that will act like a immediate resistance for you on the call side. On the put side, where is highest open interest? Can you check? On the put side, we have a highest open interest at 17,000, and we also have some weak open interest, not a great, I mean decent open interest at 17,300. This means that we have a small support at 17,300, but बड़ा बहुत बड़ा support है 17,000 में है. See, 17,000 बहुत अच्छा support है, 17,300 में थोड़ा थोड़ा weak support है, but okay, 68,000 contracts, it's still a decent support, we can say. On the call side, we have a strong resistance at 17,500 and very strong resistance at 18,000. So this is all about open interest. So open interest means it's like a entire week. See, so many people are sitting and eating the biryani. The open interest means so many people are sitting there and eating the biryani, means they are sitting there and eating the premiums. And the same put option also, during near the put option, there are so many people are sitting at 17,000 and they are eating the premiums. This is the main meaning of open interest, where the big shots are sitting and they are eating the premiums. This is the main meaning of open interest. Now coming back to the change in open interest. See, change in open interest means where the, I mean, open interest got added. So let's say yesterday was Friday, today is Saturday, I'm doing the video today. So where the open interest got changed highest. Yesterday, where was the highest open interest got added? That means this will help you in the great extent for intraday trading. See, are you a intraday trader? then you need to concentrate on change in open interest. Very important point. If you are an intraday trader, concentrate on change in open interest. Are you a swing trader? Are you a like positional option seller, or a swing 5 days kind of a straddle or triangle you are doing? Then you need to concentrate on just OI, that is open interest. Open interest means option sellers. Keep this in mind. Change in open interest means when compared to previous day, today how many fresh candidates came to eat the biryani. That means intraday biryani eaters and swing trading biryani eaters are different. Intraday biryani eaters, where did they come? So this is the meaning of, see, where did they come? Can you check? So they came, so at 17,300 they came, and even at 17,700 they came. 17,700 is very very far away, we have to ignore it. 17,300 is a very decent one. Next, on the put side, where did they come? 17,300 bahut bada hai, and 17,000 it is a little far away. See, always try to find the change in open interest or open interest 300 points above, 300 points below. Hope you understood. 300 points inside, 300 points outside. I think it should be clear. Now, is there any graphical representation which will make our work very easy? Yes, we have a graphical representation where your work will be reduced to the great extent. So this is a sensible. Go to sensible, click on this open interest. Can you see this open interest? Yes, this is the open interest. See, this is the change in OI. Can you see? Sorry, this is the change in OI. OI change versus strike. This is for intraday purpose. See, are you a intraday trader? Then you can see highest selling. Can you see biryani eaters are sitting at 17,300? Put side also they are eating, call side also they are eating. That means you should have entered a short straddle. You would have made big money on that day, intraday purpose. See, even a short straddle, just sell ATM call, sell ATM put. If you are done on Friday, you would have made bada money. How did you got to know that option sellers are sitting there? Through open interest. Open interest will change in open interest will tell you the clearly. So change in open interest is so important for intraday trader. So are you a intraday trader? You can see highest biryani they are eating here only. Call sellers also they are sitting here. Put sellers also they are sitting. Very confidently they are sitting and eating the premium. They are eating the theta. So they are just theta gainers. So if you are a positional, market has got a very strong support at 17,000 and market has a stiff resistance at 17,500. So what you can do, you can build a strategy or a straddle 17,000 put becho, 17,500 call becho, something like this. We can create a straddle and we can definitely make money, because the open interest data, whatever you are seeing now, this is historical data. This is open interest. Open interest is mainly for a swing trader who has to, whose vision is, I will be in the trade for next 2 to 3 days. Just see the open interest and change your views accordingly. So if you're an intraday trader, just see change in open interest and take a trade accordingly. So this is what a brief introduction to open interest and change in open interest. I hope you like this very short and sweet information. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.